Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me a Realme 10 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted videos and photos from the trash bin, from the recycle bin. Okay, firstly I will delete the image from my device. So I will check the image and click Move to Bin. Great. Now open your library and find here bin. Here you will see all your deleted photos and videos. All your photos and videos will be here after deleting for about 60 days. But if the item is not backed up, so this image will be deleted after 30 days. So, and now if you want to recover this image, just click on it and click restore. That's it. Thanks for watching this video, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and that's it. Bye.